Hi everyone. Today is debate and our topic is village life versus town life. So both village and town life have their own advantage and disadvantage. But today I will speak on town life is good because there is a better education quality. There is a good healthcare facility. There is a very job opportunity. So town life is a good.
Hi everyone. Today we are on town life and village life is very good and any health problems people live in a peaceful environment. There in no more cost for living. Every basic needs provided.
But in village life, there is no better medical facilities and there is very less opportunities.
But there
I oppose this. Oppose this.
But there in many people's no go to sick now. There
No,
But it is difficult for them to in village life.
I agree with you. But in their medicine, but basic needs medicine they are present and nowadays transportation road in good.
Nowadays village life is very improved. That's like hospital facilities and educational facilities and many facilities are available in village life.
But
I always like village life.
But in town life, you also enjoy modern facilities like mall, cinemas, fast nets, and better transport.
But I agree with you. But village lives very good environment and many agricultural cultures and many fields are many.
But in village people enjoy their little of moment in a peaceful environment and good condition air quality.
But in town life, there is a many job opportunity. People can earn more money as compared to village.
Very
People,
money and many and towns provide us good education and good entertainment facility like malls, park, but village.
Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. But polluted airless air available in village and nothing, any disease are available in village.
But some villages are polluted.
No.
Villages are not polluted. In fact, the town is AIQ level highest. Okay,
AQI.
so if you
AQI.
yeah. So basically, village life is life because people are village life are much better.
But
better life, but much better environment.
But I see
Yes.
that some villages dirty roadside, dirty environment.
Yes, you are right. After times,
No,
but nowadays
the government-
village very increase and very good environment and
Yeah.
are available in village.
But in village, people generally don't accept the modern technology and modern ideas. In village, there is a very restriction on women to go outside. But in town, women can go anywhere freely without any restrictions.
Yeah, I agree with you. But in village, women are not living in free will.
But village lives together many religions are
Village festival.
are freedom everyone and many festivals celebrated every time in village life.
In town life, you can get many people from very other backgrounds, they are different languages and different religions. So it makes us to know about other religions. It's help to increase competition in town. So it's better for both.
In village, people's living like a family in their areas. But in city, people's don't take any responsibility. Their proceed like neighbors.
Yes.
But in the town, people focus on their work and develop itself and earn more money.
I agree with you. But in village, people also earn money. Not more than lives in city peoples, but their accommodation and expenditures.
But they are also suffering for
Yeah, it's a government. Government is issue. They are not provided good facilities for.
Yeah, so town life is good.
No. They are not providing for good for
Town life.
that's why
for doing agriculture.
He says about government.
Yeah.
In town life, you get
Yeah.
a facility before village. So
Yeah,
it's
government.
better in
Good,
town.
good education, good.
agriculture, dairy, fishing, etc. But in town there are so many opportunity you request to.
But
Yeah, so-
according to me,
But sorry.
Maybe Dominic.
but according to me, life is very bad. Just like very traffic and very polluted air and very dirty. That's all.
But it can be.
सर को
Village,
टॉपिक इस टॉपिक है आवर कंट्री एंड अदर कंट्री
Don't stop.
नो का आर्गुमेंट नो प्रॉब्लम टाउन पीपल आर वेरी एटीट्यूड
In town,
No, in
people
village
have
people are jealous from their neighbors, but in village there people have no any no.
but village people is very rich.
no in town life people very rich.
No, village
In village, people's lives in more spaces and they are not density high. Every needs available in easy way.
No, but in village you can see there are also many poor people who lives in very poor conditions also.
I agree with you, but in village that like people's they have not education, so they are not arrange their money for utilize
they
their
are bad.
No, village life is not bad.
Yeah, realistic.
No,
Is
let
not
me
provided in village, that's why
Yeah,
they
let-
are
let me compare to city. So that is village people more hard worker now than compared to city people.
But nowadays many peoples are converted. Many villages converted. Nagar Parishad are very emotion village lives.
You speak only legal point.
Yeah.
In city, people suffering many types of disease. They have many types of health problems, such as
In village people
Everyone.
but more people's more in compared to more people.
They are more
yeah, better.
and
But-
more medical. But
Yes.
if there is some certain space there, if people have some serious health
Yes,
problem,
I agree with you.
What problem?
serious health problem,
Serious
they
health
need to go in town.
Yeah, matlab
For better
Good hospital. Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you. City available many hospitals and
Many good hospital.
yes, but corrupted government hospitals in city, but not corrupted government hospital in village lives.
Village have no
Village-
government hospital. No, many villages don't have any government hospital.
Yeah.
But in town there is a government hospital.
Very
But,
hospital.
but higher amount pay to in
No
in a
pay.
city hospital. But no.
So there is a higher facilities.
I
Yes,
think-
they provide facilities, so they charge.
I think-
In village they
Yeah.
just
I
have the
think-
But
Yeah.
also people who live in town pay for that. So what that people who live in village live.
so
All
belongs to
are
village people.
all are conditions.
And
But in village there is so many discrimination on the basis
Peoples have no more spaces for their
because
activity,
they
to do
developed
activities.
because all areas are developed.
How developed? How developed?
How developed?
Their people is not able to
entertaining.
There is
like
enough for entertaining.
like-
There is
They
They
are
are entertaining. It
they are-
provides, cities provides like malls,
but
picnic,
in
gardens.
there is so many lands because they are dependent on land.
but I think that
Not tomorrow, today. I haven't eaten since morning, yeah. Just because you will give us a party.
Now let's vice versa.
let's come to any other points.
Not tomorrow. You will take time. Go ahead.
I know every people like town life.
No, we also like the village.
Yes.
When our topic comes, I will speak.
No. Sometimes. Okay, to continue.
Pure
No.
In city, people are also connected to nature, and the people who wants to connect with nature, they wake up early, they go for walk. There are also rivers, so they go there. So town life, if people want to connect with nature, they can also connect with nature.
Village people save nature.
But in town, we need factories, so it makes our life easier. So the facility which produce in town, which also goes to the village. So they are dependent on the things produced in this town.
You have any point?
Nowadays, Bihar government many funds reduce village and develop village and waiting hall and
Then compared to village people,
In village life, we
they are do more work now. So they want some more money for it
Yes,
for
but they have more stress and-
their life.
They hospitalize very fast. No, but in village people live peaceful.
But village people don't have more money for
They have lots of
for
money. They
their-
have
for
acres
their-
of land.
Let's a moment.
They have acres of land.
yeah,
Which
yeah, in town life.
If you search properly, village people are more rich because they have more land, so many lands, acres of land. If they sell it, they can buy anything which in town.
But more land no. But in village, land not have any person. More land only late person.
So also in town, not all people.
Many
are-
people belong.
yes, but they have to use this money on giving higher rent. They should
Yes.
use air purifiers. People use water
They have
purifier.
to-
So there is so much costly in living in cities as compared to village.
Also there is so many competition.
But if you want to grow in our life, so we are facing a competition.
But if you want to live more, you need to live in village.
yes. But village people waste time any time.
No, village people don't waste time. They
Yes.
enjoy their
But
time.
in town, people are distracted.
No.
Yes,
Yeah.
they use phone. They distract on social media.
No, scheduled peoples are only for focus our job and our business. But village people are talking together and wastes every time.
Their time to talk to any other person.
They are people live in
they are
they are-
goodness.
people live in are very busy.
Not-
People in town very busy. They don't know about their neighbor well.
Yes,
But in-
very busy. According to you,
Yes.
very busy. But more and more opportunity available in job opportunity available in city life.
So what? There are so many competition. There are many people who apply for job, but not all people get job.
But village people are available. One of source.
That's
But
Cities people are available more and more opportunity. That's IT sectors and business sector. Many factories are available in town.
People who live in village,
Yes.
not
Village people starts some small industries like agarbatti factory, like biscuit factory, some factory,
they have dairy.
yeah, small dairy. Who provides milk out of city?
Many songs.
City modern machines and etc. Like
Yes, these machines cause air pollution.
Yeah.
But
Village-
they live more.
Village has-
but
Village
machines
has-
utilize but
Yeah, yeah,
machines
yeah.
save our time.
Machines make
In town, people need to go to the gym to do exercise and
Yoga.
yeah.
but
But in village, people get their work in daily life, they get exercise. But in town, we need to give extra time and extra money for our health.
Yes, I agree with you. But they have opportunity to do something.
In village also.
Yes.
Not in village also.
Many people are engaged
Some-
our
In
business
same
and
village, They
jobs.
can do fisheries, they can open poultry farm, they can own dairy.
But their cost very high now.
But in village people,
Minimum money,
he is honor.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is honor of their own business. They
Yes.
don't to work under anyone. They are the
And also have in city people also have their own business and they own
But they invested more money in city.
not invested they are just started food corner and just like investment 10 to 20 thousands but in village
But in
you are saying
junk food,
they are do
that causes
fishing and
health problem.
Yeah.
yeah.
People eat junk food that causes health problem. But in town,
It's forever.
in village, people eat natural foods that's good for their health.
Fresh in
Place level
Yes,
fresh food.
but in town there are so many affects health.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With me, that means village is good.
Vegetable to city, to
And
town.
If many people don't pay for that, so
So also,
So they need
no,
to
no,
buy
so many
themselves
people
and
in
exercise.
there are food.
Hmm.
So many people in town die because there is no land for.
no city people
So what they can,
but
what
vegetables
they have to eat?
not coming in the village. City people's sells from other source.
no all
No, don't buy from village people. So village people have village people suffering crisis for money and they are not able to buy something else in their.
We need only food to survive. We don't need money to survive. So basic requirements are fulfilled.
How village people do survive without money? They are not only dependent in vegetables and rice and
People get their basic
wheat.
requirement for
There
life.
is no need to money for.
But surviving, eating, buying for food, they need money now.
Yes, town people need money to.
Yeah, so
Yes, but village people don't need money to buy. They grow their food on their own land.
how they grow their own source? They need to buy the bees.
So they have enough money to buy these things.
How do if their source close,
seeds are also
how do
produced
they
in
able to
village.
buy this?
Seeds are also produced in village. Why we need to buy from any other source?
But you are saying that they have seeds. They have seeds. Their own source.
Yes.
Good, not gives good return now. Now they are not good. They are not returns good return.
Okay, please.
Repeat.
Yeah, people have now. If I mean nowadays people's they grow their agricultures they need potash and yeah many types of potassiums and other.
No, but they can use organic fertilizers
Yes.
like cow dung and vegetables. They can use it as fertilizers also.
But they do not fast compared to
In village people invest 5% and profit. Yeah, profit.
There is so many margin.
Yeah.
Profit.
margin in city people have also.
So many people are in loss. They start their startup fail and they
Some people
have in
no
their-
have
No,
access.
some schools are, but they are able. Many hybrid seeds are available in market, and many hybrid seeds produce chemical reactions and other things.
this affect.
No.
In pandemic days, townspeople come back to
For earning money, village people come in city also.
Yes.
Yeah, many people coming in there.
But nowadays, village people are angry. Many religions and caste problems.
You accept that there is no culture in
Caste.
village. Yes, we
No,
accept
it's-
that there is no
it's
culture.
to be noted.
But town life is overcrowded. There is so much population. There is a heavy traffic. There is too much pollution
There
there.
is so many.
So if you compare the quality of life, the village life is very good as compared to the city.
No, according to me, city life is very good. Many opportunities, many facilities are available in town. 24 hours available in electricity, and many
Now-
facilities
now
just
it
like
also-
Nagar Nigam and
24 hour.
many facilities are available in town, just like Flipkart, grocery, Flipkart, Domino's, just online shopping are available in town, but village are not available in online shopping.
That's so people who live in town are dependent on other people.
No, people in city people utilize their time and save their time.
And scrolling reels.
Earning more extra money.
Smart
And
work.
pay-
City people are doing smart work.
Like there is a strong bond between the neighbors and their families. So it feels good to live in village, but if we compare to the town life, there is a people live alone, they feel stress, anxiety, and there is a mental health problem in the town. So village life is
They don't know their neighbor well, and in the time of emergency,
Yes.
what kind of
But village.
I say so many points.
No. Just
Last one. You point.
Just like in village, if you are in problem, your neighbor come to solve it. But in town, there is no person who support you in the time of emergency. There is no
City people have a-
just like say fast delivery. There in that
City
time
people
there is
have
no
a-
so many. There is no.
Okay, listen me. But city people have no facility. Just do a call and come ambulance fast.
Also provide in village life.
No,
So
so
there is
so there people have more. You divert me.
Many infrastructures and many historical places, just like Mahavir Mandir and Mahavir Mandir and many parks.
If you can pray in
If I
another-
no temple is normal.
Temple is not normal, but here temple is in
If you build it to three.
big condition and there are two large temple and more people go there and you know, how to waste time in
There is so much crowd. If you go Mahavir temple, you can see there is in Tuesday there is a very long line.
In Mahavir Mandir.
Mahavir Mandir, you should wait and you
Yes,
should wait.
Mahavir Mandir is a very famous temple in my city.
But it takes time. You waste time there. But in village there is a
prayer for
in city people not suffering for migrations. In city people able to do something themselves. But in this have village suffering from migration. They are young person and student to migrate any other dependent on city. They have need to any coaching and other works. So they are migrate to, so they are dependent facilities in city on city.
But now there is a facility of online studies. So So if you are living in village, town, you study.
But there no good networking now. In
Nowadays,
all
in
networks
India,
provides-
network is very big condition. Network not work too fast.
But people live in town are very
They have it's a problem. The point is networking. I have also lived in Bihar, just for a village in before 5 months ago. I am suffering. I am suffering very I am suffering this. But so that is problem. If not
No.
yeah, everything work.
No, everything.
Very smoothly. Can't use
Everybody's a bit active.
According to me,
nowadays all the facility are provided
Yeah,
in
in
villages.
village
There is a
also.
better roads, there is a better network facility. You come to my village, I will show you that how better my village
You are
is.
not updated.
Yes.
Update yourself.
sometimes I visit my